people always ask me what this digital business is all about. So let me explain this in the simplest way. We have a business in a box platform, meaning everything that you need to start a digital business is already built for you. The system, the setup, the structure is all done. No tech skills, no starting from zero, and you will not figure all things out alone. You get access to a proven automated system that's been working for years consistently and working for people around the world. You're not just getting the tools, but you get the platform, your own website, the automation, the step-by-step training, the mentorship, coaches, and the supportive community. Plus, you get the social media marketing training and high-ticket partnership in place so you can market confidently and earn smarter. This is a real digital business for everyday people. And the best part, that you can run it anywhere and anytime. You can choose hours that fit it in your life and not the other way around. I am a chef, a mom, and a home baker. So if I can do this business, so can you, right? If you want more time, more income, more options in the coming years, this business can be your vehicle. Just message me and I'll send you details. God bless. See you.